Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about how to make a springtime overlapping grass project. So we're going to start first by making the grass. I usually draw grass, like a zoomed in view of grass, kind of like by drawing an upside down letter V. It's kind of like curved. So like that. Again, it kind of looks like the letter V, but it's a little curvy. Again, grass usually bends. So that'd be one blade or one piece of grass. Next, I'm going to draw another piece of grass, but part of the grass you're going to see is going to overlap another piece. So you can see this piece of grass is in front of that piece of grass because this part is in front of it. It's kind of like if I put my pointing finger out and I put my hand over it, my other hand. This hand is overlapping my finger. It doesn't mean that that finger's gone, it just means that something else is in front of it. Same thing with this piece of grass. This piece of grass is covering up this part of this piece of grass, but it doesn't mean that that piece of grass isn't there, it's just covering it up. So, you could draw it the way that I just did, or if you want to, let's say if we have like a third piece of grass coming out like this, I could just draw that third piece of grass. But now you see how like these two lines are covering it. So I'm going to erase these two lines that go over that first piece of grass that I drew. So that way it looks more like this. So it looks like this piece of grass is on top of that piece of grass. It's overlapping. So I'm going to draw a few more blades of grass and then we'll talk about the next step. Okay, so now that I have my grass drawn, I'm going to start to add some details like bugs or maybe different things in the sky. So one sort of bug that I think that pops up around the springtime is ant. So I could draw maybe some ants crawling on top of this grass. Maybe I also think of ladybugs. There might also be maybe some spiders. It's really up to you what you want to make on top of your grass. Maybe in the sky I can draw a sun. Some clouds. It's really up to you. And then the final step would be to color in your art project, which is what I'm going to be doing now. When you get to the coloring part of this project, try to aim for at least a 3, if not a 4 with your craftsmanship. So take your time while coloring. Please do not rush. Alright everyone, thank you for watching my how to make overlapping grass in the spring. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you next art lesson.